Lavender, a wonderful essential oil for your home and skin. Lavender essential oil is too good for you to ignore. It's excellent for your health, skin, and even around the house. Do you want to learn how to use this wonderful essential oil? Read on to find out what it can do for you and all the ways you can use it. Lavender. When you think of lavender, an image of purple French fields might come to mind. This wild plant, with its distinctive purple flower, is common throughout the Mediterranean coast and in some parts of Africa, Asia, and India. Lavender grows in dry fields and hills and likes the sun. Lavender is rich in essential oils, acids, coumarins, tannins, and, in the flowers, saponin. Putting it simply, it's a wonderful essential oil. We recommend reading How to Make Homemade Lavender Soap. What it can do for your health. Lavender has the following medicinal properties. Its primary characteristic is its powerful soothing power, well known since ancient times. It was used in relaxing baths in ancient Rome. Lavender is helpful for anxiety, insomnia, stress, etc. Plus, it also has antiseptic powers that help disinfect, soothe, and heal all kinds of cuts, burns, bites, and bruises. Lavender is antiviral and antibacterial, two properties that make it an excellent way to prevent and treat respiratory conditions like laryngitis, pharyngitis, and tonsillitis, as well as infections in the genital area. It improves skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema, reducing inflammation and itching. It encourages good digestion and calms the nerves that affect your stomach. Lavender's anti-inflammatory and soothing goodness make an ideal essential oil for pain. It helps with motion sickness. Lavender mildly lowers your blood pressure. It prevents hair loss. Oils and other extracts. The essential oil concentrates all of the goodness and fragrance of lavender in a small quantity. It's obtained through a distillation process, using a still, and so it's very difficult to make at home. However, you can find it at herbal shops and other places where natural products are sold. What extracts can you make at home? Lavender infused oil, based on almond or olive oil. The proportion is 1 part lavender to 10 parts oil. Use a glass jar and place it in the sun, shaking from time to time. Lavender infused alcohol. Fill a glass jar with dried lavender flowers and add ethyl alcohol, letting it infuse for a week. Concentrated tea made from dried flowers. This is the most common and easy way to use lavender. It's the best way to consume the plant, as well as to soak your feet, use in the bath, or serve as a mouthwash. Lavender for your health. The most common ways to use lavender for your health are: in teas, for insomnia and anxiety. As a mouthwash, to reduce inflammation in your upper respiratory system. Relaxing massages with lavender oil to distress. Anti-pain massages with lavender alcohol for rheumatoid arthritis pain, migraines, a stiff neck, and foot or back pain. Lavender for your skin and hair. One of the best ways to use lavender for your skin and hair is to add a few drops of the essential oil to your beauty products. Face and body lotion. It releases tension, helps with skin issues, and stimulates regeneration. Shampoo. It prevents hair loss. The oil also has the ability to enhance the effects of other natural components. Check this out too. This lavender lemonade will heal headaches. Around the house. You could add lavender to the cleaning products you use around the house: detergent, fabric softeners, air fresheners, bathroom cleaners, to give it a lovely smell and also help with the following. Keep insects away. Make your home a soothing environment. Get rid of fleas on your dog or cat. It's easy to make little bags of lavender flowers you can put in your drawers and closets for a light perfume. There are also bigger bags that can be used around your neck as a heating pad to help you sleep better.